KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress kalakintho halor ka jingbom palla ban shna pandep jong ka sarkar jilla ya ka Model Degree College hakashnong Patharkhmah Ribhoy District wala ka sarkar kala pentip bakalamang pisa khatwai kilor tingka ban shna ya ka college ban nalor kata bandang tei shushu saya ka building ka bathmai hagane hi ka college u president ka seng usamla Adrian C Milliam hakajing akren bat kilat pathai khubor ulaong baka seng ka sngokhya bha ban yoi ya ka jing Sinjor jong kijing tei bat kijing shna hapo ka jilla la ka long ka jing shna ya ka yeng dorbar bathamai lani wat ya ka Model Degree College hakashnong Patharkhmah shusho la kantho ru da ka baong bakumnu an ai kerteng ya ka shlem puli da ka Model Degree College ka bumdon wat tang ka Surok ka Bording ka umbam umdi bat ki wei de kijing mentoy badai ban penbiang na ka benta ki samla puli
yang ba about the college about Patharkhmah kani ka college filai ba kiladap sanction hadok khatbai klor ma ti menta kani ka college ru ladap sna menta la sistem ndai kata ka sanction kena pet bat kum ka building menta la pra lut kena pet tu ki slab ru la pra ti menta kena pet kum ba la sanction ru ka di bandon ki left ma apo college che re ki left ru kimdon kimdon hiru ti menta fen pet menta ban lek college lek kum do kan klam Surok mentah mentoy yu ban sna tangka college ka Surok dan Jakayat kena kenyat kumno kali kenyat kumno dia kata hi kawai kambien objektif long nangi ka NSUI ngipet long bangi dia ngai ru haki newspaper menen na mecisni ba minister baron buram jungi la keren ru ba kini ki government school semua ki long ka result ka long very bad amar ba yang ba ki students are sent to the colleges like government schools because only if it's the last option. Ti kumno kan yin nai ong last option namar ki no hikai ru kim yok tulap ki ben ru kim biang ti kajing hikai ru ki no hikai ru umta mo lo menta ki tang da biang ka infrastructure ne da biang ki no ta ki jakashong no ta dam pei da biang lut ti ki khana kin select ken yang ta ki school ti nak liang jong ni tang kat tahi ni don ban keren.
We can see that the sanction amount comes to around 11 crores, but what we can see is that currently what has happened in the building is we can see cracks everywhere. And also pertaining to the work, we feel that 11 crores is a high amount to be sanctioned. And currently we only see that the building is there. We have not seen any road leading up to the college. The path going there as well is a dirt path. And even no electricity has been implemented in the school, no water supply has been done. So therefore we just wonder what is happening, whether that sanctioned amount 11 crores has fully been utilized or whether there's something else in the other end. And even he has mentioned about government schools, our honorable minister. And we feel that when you mention government schools, we shouldn't see them as a last option, but rather we should see them as an option, as another alternative. Because if you look at other places, when you compare other countries, they have universities which are local, but they are one of the best performing universities in that country. And we feel that we shouldn't take government schools as something that is a last measure or a last resort. In fact, I feel that whatever we should do, we should boost the government infrastructure, and we should do many other things to ensure that whatever is government related shouldn't be seen or treated as second hand. We ask the government that they should do better, because currently what we see in our society is that apathy seems to be the modus operandi of the government. Our support system, the backbones of our society, are receiving no support. When the backbone crumbles, so do we. If apathy is what they work by, then I feel that the bleak future that awaits us is quite inevitable. And we from the Congress party worry. Every time they make statements with regards to their failure, it seems that they are incapable of taking responsibility. If apathy is what we want, then it's what we will get. and we from the Congress worry about that. The government should do better. They should do their best. If we continue being apathetic, then what will happen to our state 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, or 50 years down the line?